Madlo pagkadawa labya na tsayngunan masa na sangasyan munapa hay masa isensya dia mona lutawa isensya saya pisok masay mas hanahay. Nututupa saya to na mas sulod daw mas antansya tsanata mas auto tanto siya sihutuliskada na siya daw na miuni mas kukatan masyaw pa siya sinaipuk tu siya mas yuencumintan daw na pisok tu pa to matu dia masih hapa sa itu sihuta na singkuda-kuda mas dang mas kasasanakatan maavon mapumbahta na siya daw kasasanakatan ka pasipungulo ni halinga kay na cisuni mas mau patadawat na pisok mas imita to yuencuminto daw na bang hay mas napisay nun daw siya vautuban to tas tuhanian na nin pituhanian na siya daw hay matakatan siya Taiwan mas yenjumin mas miliski saitaro to na mapasikwa mada isaita na mada simpisaw kung mas pinisaw kina siya hay wat na mapasikwa mada itu sihuta na mada singkuda-kuda mas mo to niya ang katan hayap kat taos ta masivito mada isay siya dumatukunya auto mas tsanata masa pisaw ka na mas takidito yenjumin to daw na bang hay makwa mada inaja singkuda-kuda.
We apologise for the laws and policies of successive parliaments and governments that have inflicted profound grief, suffering and loss on these our fellow Australians. We apologise especially for the removal of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander children from their families, their communities and their country. For the pain, suffering and hurt of these stolen generations, their descendants and for their families left behind, we say sorry. To the mothers and the fathers, the brothers and the sisters, for the breaking up of families and communities, we say sorry.
Today, itu unya siyan mas auto taliskadan, lukawan masa isya aling pato kamisan, isya wampukan tu ihuitan, asyan liskadan kay mi uni masihutan daw masa may halap mas yencumin, masyaw pa siya auto tanto yencumin, pisok tu pato daw na bang. Subhaday nga tayo yencumin na mas tatala masay tanto simpisaw, masa utadan tu asyan tu liskadan, pisok into pato daw na bang hay ay pero pa sana na ito yan sumina siyas kay dia na siya daw kay taadin to ba to mada siyas lay dado a sihuan hay tupinto neta na mada muliva pisak to daw na bang hay matu dia taada yan sumina hay masan mo bak ay.
It was the first time a Prime Minister had ever said sorry to us, and we were elated. I think it was a time that joined our country together. In fact, with non-Indigenous Australians and with the Indigenous peoples, we were able to truly unite on that day, which was the 13th of February 2008.
Also, maduklas tubuno na sihuan na ingka siya ipaliw to hamisan sausen siya ijo chiling to hamisan hay kauni mas tupaw na pinbuklasun dawan yan. Hato na hang siya today mada siyas auto wa sihuan hay anamas da mas tupa tumada takya sa na yun sumin hay siya maskad mataymang tu ukas hinayapa na pangasya kasasan na ay dato masantumanga ito yun sumin na uvada pung nasaynun siya ito maduklas tubunon to lumahas siya daw mas itu siho tanto pas nabanan. Makusang daw to kanasenan siya paunta dawat ana pintay klasun daw amada siya yencuminan. Kasubhaday nga siya maduklas tubuno na tas lumahan akat mada ito yencumina uvadan hay kapehdiw na siya daw sausain siya mada marspinga da uvat ka intutos hongon. Ngat kat kamangmangan na niyan to nakapasipungulon mas inay tanto halinga pali humisan nito na pas nabanan mas inay tanto yencuminto ispas na nava hay mas tanamada ito yencumina uvat mas kat mas muato makwangas ang mas kami luas siya daw nin mah tumusuhis misyat nin masyat maluskon mas tas tulumahan na siya daw wat kananakin sa tamal to yencumina kata.
And for the indignity and degradation thus inflicted on a proud people and a proud culture, we say sorry.
Isya erling pato kamisan nito kau pas isya auto tanto liskada na pisaw tu beto daun na bang. Mas dang tu dito kamisan nung tubuan mas nantasa to kanyan. Matu dia itu uni mas tiana tata na liskada na Stephen Harper. Asaya mi uni amin mas masa mas na siya ipachiling to kamisan kit ngap. Mada antan siya peme so to na yuen chumin hay paun siya amin daw tu nakat pintay klaso na siya daw na aida to tas tu sabat tu muda to kamisan nakat paun siya mapiyak dia mada antan siya tiya natata na yuen chumin hay masyaw pa amin sa yuen chumin pisak tu ba to muli pa to dia singkuda-kuda daw na bang.
Today we recognize that this policy of assimilation was wrong, has caused great harm, and has no place.
Ito ni mas tiya natata na si Juan sausain siya ijojoling to kamisan to mishangkay na aydang to sausain siya masanhanyima to mga mada siya yantan siya pe mechoda na ito ni mas yuenchumin na mada uvad nito palitangus mas madaday nga siya daw at kasasan masato mapusain siya pasnavanan tan na pinunyun daw mas ito ni mas maduklas to bunun tanto siya ispasnava to kitaklasan. Isang sa pasnavanan tan, kau paskat na malis uni mas Ingiliso tanais, wat mada na ispasnava kay siyon mas ito maduklas to bunun tanto pali humisan na siya daw mas inhumisan, ana mas dang mas anyan to uvad kay nakat pasipungulun mas inay tanto yun sumito kananakan to pali humisan eh.
The Government of Canada now recognizes that it was wrong to forcibly remove children from their homes, and we apologize for having done this. We now recognize that it was wrong to separate children from rich and vibrant cultures and traditions, that it created a void in many lives and communities, and we apologize.
Papia antan siya pe mechoda na yuen chumi na pinipata daw kay tupakay to asya daw kay anamas dang mas kamid lulo mi hadiday nga tu inhumisan ato na hang siya asyan tu itu uni mas laydado tu siya singkuda-kuda kay min uni na mata yuen chumin mas kat kana anak sabdit sa taman mas ananakan tu kay mamangan palihumisan hay mat tu dia mata pinipata daw supahday nga tanakat saumaday nga saumatat kay nakat iwanang. Ato na hang siya ay madayon suminan. Paun siya tunakat, anamas lang mas nakapit amino na pinuka to siya singkuda-kuda. Hay, antalan yan mas inay tanto, simpisaw to daong na bang, katuban yan to. Asyan to siya mas simpatuhavit, hay, asa to, mapalus na nga mata siya simpalinuto.
You know, I think on the whole, the apology, was good, but we have a new government now that's going to be dealing with us on a nation-to-nation basis, and will deal with reconciliation beyond those that were covered by the Indian Residential School Settlement Agreement, but trying to reconcile Indigenous peoples and nations with the rest of Canadian society based on Section 35 of Canada's Constitution. So we're in a very good position today in the Métis Nation.
Nito kaupas itu unis ko katanto liskadan. Itu uni mas loma ten sikyo tanto malan no satu sabat manumun vihan numto siya simpo sama fangchi ke hay masay siya eling iyo to hamisan pitutubuan masa tantunga saya siya namme jo hay nau to masiaw pa siya Poliwoya tanto yen chumin bununsido ay mara to siya laviana Evo Morales mas papiamada siya yen chumina kuda-kuda mumu tanang haus mi uni mas tudi itu uni mas loma tin sikyutan to singkuda-kuda to simpingkulat mas yuen chumin to pari humisan sausain syakat nito mapisyal hay iti amina saya pisaw to pa to dauna pa.
Y quiero decirles, quiero ser muy claro como lo fue San Juan Pablo II, pido humildemente perdón no solo por las ofensas de la propia Iglesia, sino por los crímenes contra los pueblos originarios durante la llamada conquista de América.
Mapimantok, hayap tumakwa mara siyas inulibana siya dawat danges kay mamangan to isang masyaw pa siya piningkulat to bunun pisaw to ba to daw na bang. Ano to ba to ito siya ko tanto liskadan, ito kiyo kay tanto liskadan, pisaw to ba to daw na bang hay mas muwa siyan to mahusbo to ispatungkal. kamay pinisaw kinto to daw na bangkay na kauvayvin. Aw na mahto min uni masing kauvayv ta daw. Anatupa to ito aw zotan ito tiyana tatan. Hay tupakay to. Mada siya si Juan mas Benjumina na ispato habita siya dana na lakayban kay now to na albuntuan ng ay.
Look, there is still a very, very long way to go in our country, but nevertheless, it was a beginning and it was a start to something that would hopefully cement our relationships together in the true spirit of reconciliation. We've had a process of reconciliation going in our country now for about 20 years, and that was one of the grand gestures of reconciliation. But 8 years down the track, there have been some things that have happened, some measurements. There's been some issues that have gone backwards, in fact, so it's a very mixed bag.
Language and heritage are taken away from it. And then what happens when there's no identity, as we've heard, that without a secure personal cultural identity, people don't do well. They don't do well in health, they don't do well in education, they don't do well in economic.
Anatupa to na asbuntuan nga siya daw kay now to asa katahayap to mada ito kukata na liskadan pisak to pa to daw na banghay na ingkasentan kitngap. Mada ito yan sumina siya kayan mas tato siya kay tanhay nakitingabin ingkasayin siya mahalinga siya dawat mapakahaya pa siya dawat mapasamasing. Mapasibit kay mas lahay bantanat na mahtuin taskon mayaw pa siya nalahay bantudan.
We know Indigenous peoples must be full partners in the reform of state laws and policies. The United Nations Declaration provides a framework for the law and policy reform needed to ensure justice and achieve reconciliation, harmonious relations, and lasting peace.
Pisaw to ba to daw na bang? Hay manto kinhayap to muli ba haba sa singkuda-kuda na ingkasayin siya mapatuhabi. Pat mas pinisaw kinto ba to daw na bang hay namilis kininto na mapasikwa mingkas kun mas yun sumintan kuda-kuda. Kadaw ka na siya daw mapihundo ka mata singkuda-kuda na ingkasayin siya dailatan. Kanadang kuda-kudatan na sausayin siya kabaklo mas singkuda-kuda. Umana vina siya skal mas sinasya ang sinsatamal sa kulat mas vinsumintan. Nito kaupas na kah na mapisyar. Asa tumiliskin na to na mapasikwa kain muhna nguliva. Ngat nakanasay na ninja mamantok tutupaw kaubay ba mata siya singkuda-kudat na kanasay na siya mata kukan masyawpin siya yun sumin pisaw to ba to daw na bantan hay na kanasay na ninja mantok to mapasisuhis mas kay si Alan hay lando na mata to dado.